Hello, Jennifer here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Guess what just landed inside of our showroom here at 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail? It's our 2019 Corollas. Now, this Corolla this year comes with a brand new trim, so you have your XLE. It comes equipped with your heated steering wheel as well as your power adjustable driver's seat. You also do have your 6.1 touch panel display audio system integrated with navigation and your Sirius XM radio. This unit specifically is going back into our customs department. It's getting all of its accessories put on so you can see the full potential of your 2019 Corolla. So after this video, definitely come on in and check it out for yourself. Built-in standard to your 2019 Corolla is your 1.8 liter fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine that sets itself apart in the market by achieving ultra-low emission status. This is thanks to the Valvematic engine, which applies precision in the varying lifts of the intake valve, allowing for a smoother transition while hitting higher speeds, plus a more efficient relationship between your foot pedal and the engine performance. Of course, your 2019 also comes fully equipped with Toyota's best safety technology to date. With Toyota Safety Sense P, this system includes sweet features like your dynamic radar cruise control, which uses forward sensing radar technology to automatically adjust vehicle speed to maintain preset distances from vehicles in front of you. You also have your lane departure alert with steering assist and your automatic high beams and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which helps mitigate frontal collisions in speed ranges where these certain collisions are most likely. Your 2019 Corolla is ready to take you on the exciting road ahead, but don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive, see how it fits into your lifestyle. We are here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.